Here's the following problem. I'm opening a picture file and it's trying to load the program from the D drive. D is mentioned. The program itself is this Fastone image viewer, and that is not on the D drive anymore. So here's a program, Registry Search Replace, and I will search the path, the old path, which is the D drive and soft folder, and I should, here at replace criteria, search for that path but replace the D drive with E. And I will not modify anything on these tabs. And as the about page, let's go back, click on the search button. Now we have to wait a little bit. Now it's searching, it found one, replace. Now let's uncheck this show matches, replace. Number searched, that is increasing, but the replaced is not increasing. So let's just stop this one. Now right click on it and run it as administrator. Enter the same path from the D drive to paste it in to the E drive. Show matches, I uncheck that also. I didn't modify anything there, and search. Wait a little bit, and now it is replacing them. So with administrator privileges, it is replacing the values. Now it found 12, now 900. That many were replaced. Now let's close it. Now try the program. Will it open or not? And voila, it is opening. The error message is gone.